Hi there, everyone. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins with a quick forecast this time. We've got a small chance for some severe storms on Thursday afternoon into the evening hours. So we'll talk about that, and we'll also talk about the 10-day forecast, which for the Lincoln area anyway has a lot of temperatures that are pretty okay. And we'll have the state forecast too. So a little bit of everything over the next couple of minutes here. First, let's talk about Stormcast. And what we're going to be looking at here is not much happening through Thursday morning. This is Thursday around noon, so you notice there's maybe a few scattered showers towards Scotts Bluff. And between Scotts Bluff and North Platte, just barely into the Panhandle. And then that kind of sparks some storms. So there's kind of going to be there's storms in the Panhandle tonight, Wednesday night, and that's throwing out an outflow boundary. And when that happens, it'll traverse over the hills and far away for a while, and then when the timing's just right, it'll run into some moisture. It'll get the heating of the day, so you get this boundary, and everything comes together, and boom, this is what you get. So from about Sioux City southwest, just south of O'Neill towards Broken Bow, North Platte, down southwest towards McCook, that line of storms kicks in around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and then it kind of fizzles out for central and eastern Nebraska. Still some rain possible, sure, but the stronger storm potential right now is Tri-Cities, maybe a little further west, but chance of precipitation nonetheless for a lot of people. And then that should fizzle out fairly quickly. I mean, this is 10 p.m. and there's barely anything left. But notice off towards Norfolk, Columbus, north and east towards Sioux City and western Iowa, still a big blob of rain there. That is going to push off to the east, but some of it could wrap back around to the west and give us a chance for some precipitation during the day on Friday, that's down the road. See, there's still kind of that boundary between Sioux City and Hastings. By 6 a.m. Friday, could still see some precipitation on and off throughout the day on Friday, but that's eastern Nebraska. So there is a marginal risk on Thursday from north central, northeastern Nebraska south into south central Nebraska, including Hastings, Grand Island, York, but not quite into the Lincoln and Omaha area. But, things change, and models aren't always perfect. So that's why I always say if you're in or around near the risk for severe weather, just keep an eye on things just so you know what's going on. And this is that level 1. It's the bottom level. So a couple of severe storms going to be possible. Not a widespread event. Won't be chaos. It'll just be a chance for some strong storms every now and then. Much needed rain too, hopefully. Here's your forecast. Very early Thursday morning, temperatures in the 50s and 60s. And then for highs tomorrow, I think we'll be in the 80s, upper 80s, maybe some 90s for the western half of the state, middle 80s for central and eastern Nebraska, Lincoln and southeastern Nebraska specifically. 85 for Lincoln, 84 Grand Island, Hastings, and Kearney in the Tri-Cities, 86 Beatrice and Fairbury. 7-day forecast for Lincoln. PM storms on Thursday. Again, storms possible on Friday. Not the greatest of chances, but it's still a chance. And cooler temperatures. Hey, look what's on our 10-day forecast. That Husker game, it's in Ireland, so that's not the forecast for Ireland. They'll probably be about 20 degrees cooler than that. But scattered showers and thunderstorms possible as we head way 9 and 10 days out, so that's a long ways away. But rain chances Thursday, Friday. Temperatures relatively cool. Averages of the upper 80s will be in the lower 80s, lower and middle 80s for the next several days.